Welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust Windows operating system full screen display on VirtualBox. So let's get started.
The display screen and the virtual machine screen sizes are not the same. To resolve this,
First, we go to the Devices menu and select Insert Guest Edition CD image. In File Explorer, navigate to the CD drive folder and launch the VBox Windows Edition application. Then click Yes, Next, and finally install to complete the process. After rebooting, enter your password and log in. Now, click on the View menu Virtual Screen to resize your screen resolution. Select Auto Resize Guest Display, which will automatically adjust the virtual screen display to match your host display screen. For full screen, go to View, select Full Screen Mode, and it will be full screen. You may undo full screen by going to the bottom menu, selecting View, and clicking full screen. It will be set back to the display screen. This concludes the video. If you like this video, subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and share it.